Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will give you the overview of Color Swatch King app. And the best thing about this app is that the developers that develop this app, all the apps they have created are related to variants. That's the best part. And I have used this app on my development store, and trust me, this was one of the most easiest to use variant app, and also it is very user friendly as well as design wise it is outclass. So let me show you their other apps as well. So this is Color Swatch King variants app, and it has got like 2000 reviews. And if you just see their other apps, just to show you their authenticity, all the apps, 6 apps are related to variants. So that's the best thing. And I believe no one has covered variants in a better way than them. So I will install this app, which is their most famous app, and I will do the installation process. I will pause this video because this is not something I have to repeat again and again. I will show you how this app is so easy to implement. So the app installation is done successfully, and as you can see, I have installed on development store, and for development store it is free, but the pricing is based on the plan that you're using. If you're using like pause and build, you pay $5 per month, Shopify basic $15 per month, and grow and custom $30 per month. But when you will see the feature, you will say that this price is nothing in front of the features. So the one thing I'm not a fan of this app is this chat icon, which is very annoying. You can't close this icon. I have chatted to them that they should do something about this bug, but I haven't got any reply until yet. But this is very annoying. But it doesn't stop your functionality. Like it opens all the time, so you don't have to mess with this thing. So this is how the app look like. Basically, if you have like got 50 products, and in 50 products you have got like uh, 10 different variant types, like you have got color, you have got size, you have got type, and a lot of things, like you have got 10 different styles. So it will detect all the styles automatically and then create the variants based on it. Let me show you what I mean. So you have to embed the app. The first step is to embed the app in the theme. This step is obviously very straightforward. You just have to open the theme customization and enable the app from here. For example, let me show you. You have to click on this enable app embed, and then you have to make sure that the app is actually enabled. So this is what I mean by the app. You have to enable this, and there is a settings for the grid, but we don't have to worry about it. So the first step is done. You have to enable the app. The second process is assign styles to product options and customize styles. Now, basically, I have 20 products, and it has detected all the options that those products have. Like my 26 products have 12 Shopify options. So what does shop options mean? It will detect automatically. So you have to click on product based settings, and the 12 options will be displayed in front of you. Like, let me show you. So I have attribute in product, I have belt length, I have color, I have again color classification, light color, light source power. It has detected all the product option itself, so I can change the switches easily for each product option. I don't have to worry about it. And as you can see, I can go to another page as well because I have a lot of product options. Let me also open my product so that I can show you what I actually mean. Make sure that you refresh the store, because sometimes due to cache it doesn't apply the switches, but this app is very user friendly and fast. It will apply the switches automatically. And this is the area where you can customize the styles for the switches that you have implemented. So as you can see, button wheel, you can select the design like there, and for add switch you can do something like this. If you want to do, you can select the style for the drop down, and you can also change the settings for collection page. But let me show you how it actually looks like. For example, I have opened my store. Let me open this product, and let me show you why I'm so fan of this app. So this is a product page. It will take some time to load, and these are the swatches. Beautiful. I think I haven't seen such beautiful swatches in my life. And as you can see, this is the color for the color, and if you select on it, it will show you variant like this. And as you can see, under each variant it has written the variant name and the product, the variant price as well. And for the sizes I have a separate variant. So for example, if I want to change the swatch type for color, what I have to do, I have to click on product based settings, and this is like color. So I can change the swatch from here. For example, this is polarized swatch, and I can change the style. I can change the style easily. So I don't want this style. I'm basically want this style, and I will save. Okay, and then I will hard refresh so that the changes are implemented, so that it doesn't show any issue due to. As you can see, I think it hasn't uh, refreshed correctly. Yeah, as you can see, these are the different kind of switches that we used before, and it is very easier to use. You don't have to indulge into the coding or other stuff. It does all the things automatically. Like for example, these this let me open another product. So let me open men's clothing, and as you can see on the collection page as well, it will show the swatches, the best thing. And let it load, and as you can see, you just hover on it and it will change the swatches. This is the best thing. Beautiful, this is beautiful. So the collection based swatches are working as well, and you can totally customize them. So I will open this product and let's see. So for the sizing, I will see what type of swatches it is displaying. So I don't like the size swatch type, so let me change it. So I don't like swatch in pill. I like no, color swatches. Yeah, I like color swatches. I will select this thing, and then I will click on save, and then I will hard refresh again. Very important, hard refresh, because due to cache it cannot show correctly. No, I have to again refresh it. Yeah, as you can see, the swatches have changed. You don't have to upload any custom swatches. You don't have to do anything else like before. It has no issue, and it is working really perfect, as you can see already. So you can also change it for the collection page from here, collection based settings, and you can change the swatch types like in product page. This is the best thing, and this app has a third option as well, which is very customizable. I don't want to use this feature because already my the things that I was looking are fulfilled, so I don't have to customize more options. So for example, you have to click on customize styles, and then you can customize the styles any way you want. For example, if you want to change the style for the button build, you can customize it to a greater extent. So you can change the size for the selected button, unselected button, hover settings, label setting, and you can change the font, label, weight, slider setting, out of stock setting. So there are a lot of settings, and I personally tell you, you don't need this setting because you have already we this app is already too good in display that you don't have to worry about it. So swatch and build, you can click on customize, and for the swatch and build, you for the selected button you can change the style, text color, price color. If you are very cautious about the branding, even though it is working fine, but you can change the things from here. You can also change the hover setting, you can change the image setting. So all the things can be customized. So this is a quick review of the app, but this app is so great. I can make a 30-minute tutorial for it, but I will wind it up, and you will have a clear idea how this app actually works. And I hope the things are okay. Let me know if there is any issue. I will further clarify the things about it. But I love this app. So for example, I open any other product. This is a product which which product options are not too good for the swatches, but still it will display it in a very beautiful way. As you can see, the style, the swatches are great. It displays the title, the variant title, and the price below it, and the image as well. This is the best thing. So as you can see, it you don't have to open each product and apply the swatches. It will detect all the product options itself and then apply the swatches automatically. You just have to play with the styling and all the other stuff, and this is how it works. Basically, this app has three settings: product based settings, collection based settings, customized settings. You just have to enable the app, and that's it. Then you have to play with the styles. Thank you very much, and let me know if there is an issue.